Now let us discuss that how to solve linear equations graphically. Example 4, page number 47. Check graphically whether the pair of equations x plus 3y equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y equal to 12 and is consistent. If so, solve them graphically. So here first equation is x plus 3y equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Here when we are taking the ratios a1 by a2, a1 is 1, so it is 1 by 2, that is b1 by b2, that is 3 by 3, so they are not equal. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. This ratio is 1 by 2 and 3 by 3 means 1. They are not equal. So you will get a unique solution and the equation is consistent. When an equation is called consistent, when you are getting a solution or an infinitely many solutions, you can say that equation is consistent. So here a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, so you will get a unique solution, that is one and only one solution. Then two intersecting lines you will get that will intersect at one point, so you will get a unique solution for this one. So let us first solve this one to draw that graph. So here when you are taking x plus 3y equal to 6, you can take 3y equal to 6 minus x, or y is equal to 6 minus x by 3. So when you are solving this equation, you can take so many values for x. As we are taking values for x, you will get y values accordingly. So x, first put x is equal to 0 here, so you will get 6 minus 0 by 3. 6 minus 0, 6 minus 0 is 6 by 3, 6 by 3 is 2, so y is equal to 2. Now you can put any value for x. So when you put x value is equal to 3, 6 minus 3 by 3, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 by 3, y equal to 1. Now if you are putting x is equal to 6, 6 minus 6, that is 0, 0 by 3 equal to 0. So you got three values for x and y. The same way, take the second equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 12, or 3y you can take here, 2x minus 12 equal to 3y, or y is equal to 2x minus 12 by 3. So here also you put values for x and y. So when x is equal to 0 here, when x you put 0 here, 2 into 0, 0, so you will get minus 12 by 3, minus 12 by 3, so y is equal to minus 4. Now when x is equal to 3, you can put x is equal to 3, So you will get 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 12, that is negative 6. Negative 6 by 3, that is equal to negative 2. Now put x is equal to 6 here. So when x is equal to 6, 2 into 6, 12. 12 minus 12, 0 by 3, again 0. So here from this one itself you will get what is the solution, that is x is equal to x is equal to 6 and 0 here. So you have to select values such that you are getting an integer here, so that it will be easy for you to draw. Now when you are taking the graph, here you are getting positive values for x, and here negative and positive values for y. So when coordinate geometry, when we discuss, we already discussed how to draw the graph. So let us draw that x-axis and y-axis. Now here the point is 0, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So here positive value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here again negative value for y. Now first one we got as 0, 2. For the first equation, that is x plus 3y equal to 6, we got 0, 2. So x is 0 and y is 2. So here is this point is 0, 2. Then second one is 3, 1. That is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. This point. Then next one is 6, 0. That is this point. So first line will linear equations will come like this. So this equation is x plus 3y equal to 6. That is the first equation. Now second equation you have to plot. Second equation points are 0, negative 4, 0, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to negative 4, this point. Then second one 3 and negative 2, this x is 3 and y is 2, this point. And third point is this one 6, 0. So let us draw that line also. So this equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Now look at the meeting point of this two lines, that is 6 0. So we already find out that one, otherwise you have to look at the graph and find out that value. So here it is 6 0. This is the solution of these two equations. So 6 0 is the solution of x plus 3y equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Now one more example is given. Let us solve that also. Sixth one, Champa went to a sale to purchase some pants and skirts. When her friends asked her how many of each he had brought, she answered, "The number of skirts is 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased, and also the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. Help her friends to find out how many pants and skirts Champa bought." Now here first you have to frame the equation. So if you are taking number of pants is equal to x and number of skirts equal to y, first equation you are getting y is equal to 2x minus 2, that is twice number of skirts will be 2 less than twice that number of pants. So y is equal to 2x minus 2, and in second equation you are getting y is equal to 4x minus 4. Now here you have to find the solution first. For the first equation, when x is equal to 0, you are putting 2 into 0 minus 2. So y will be minus 2. When you are putting x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. Then when you are putting x is equal to 2, y equal to 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now for the second equation, x and y, when x is equal to 0, you will get y equal to minus 4. Then when x is equal to 1, 4 into 1, 4 minus 4, that y equal to 0. Then when x is equal to 2, at 8 minus 4, y equal to 4. So equations points are 0, negative 2, 1 0 and 2 2. Here 0, negative 4, 1 0 and 2 4. From the solution itself you will get what is this zeros. No. So let us draw that one. Here also negative y is there. So you have to draw the vertices x and y. 0 0, then 1 2 3 4 6, like that. Here 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So first one equation, zero negative 2, 0 negative 2. So here it will come this point. 1 0, that is 1 and 0. Here it will come. And 2 2, here it will come. So the line will be like this. Equation is 2x, y equal to 2x minus 2. Now second equation solution is 0 and negative 4. 0 and negative 4, this one. 1 0, that is this one. And 2 4, here it will come. This point, this one, and this. Sorry, negative 4 here. This is second equation, y equal to 4x minus 4, not this one. 2 negative 4, 2 4 is here. Now their meeting point is this one. What is that coordinate? 1 0 1, sorry, 1 0, that is x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 0. So 1 0 is the solution of these two equations.